Einstein said that he had stood on the shoulders of giants, and you know, everybody to some degree learns. We learn from one another. We get inspiration from one another, and I don't know whether copying is like necessarily the right word. I know this is a fear people have. I'm going to be copied, but to some degree, this kind of thing happens. Now, there was a court case years ago. I listened to it on the radio a little bit about it. I don't remember the exact details. It was more the person I was living with at the time. They were more listening than me to this, but I remember picking up. It's very interesting. Like the verdict. The idea was an author took another author to court, and the verdict was that to some extent, this is how the world grows. Is like we all to some extent take from one another. Yeah. Now, as long as someone's work is, you can see enough of their own content to make it theirs. Like, if they happen to write a similar idea and concept, it doesn't necessarily mean they're copying as such outright. Okay, it's like, well, they're not going to say copying outright. It's like we a lot of people come up with the same ideas anyway. And though it's a good idea to be a pioneer, sometimes people will just happen to come up with the same ideas. And if you know it's your idea, or if someone else knows it's their idea, and it happens to be yours as well, just go ahead, why not? Do you know what I'm saying? So there's enough room in the world for all of us. Like, think about it this way. How many mobile phone shops are there? How many mobile phone networks, are there? And more keep popping up. There's so many spaces, it seems like, in that world. You know what I mean? So, okay, so that's basically it. I think I'm going to do, though, perhaps a part 2